Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp group on the iPhone 16e. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up WhatsApp, then click on Chats, and just click on the green plus icon on the top right, and then click on New Group, and just select the people that you want to add to the group. So once you've done that, what you can do is just click Next, name the group, and then just click Create. So once you've done that, what you can do is just, here you have the group, and you can just send messages to it, like that. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.